Hi, I'm Monika from BB and Bongo and Cambodia Knits, a social enterprise that provides economic opportunities for women in Cambodia through the sale of really cute toys like these ones here. I wanted to give my review of Kate Toon's Recipe for Success SEO course, which I had the great opportunity to take last year, and I can't rave about it enough. It was a really useful course for someone like myself who has very limited understanding about SEO. The course is so much more than SEO. It takes you from starting off with the back end of the website, like all that technical gibberishy stuff that a lot of us as business owners don't want to think about or don't want to know about, but it's so important for us to be aware of what's happening with our websites and how they are functioning. So the modules on that were technical but incredibly helpful and provided a wonderful foundation for the next steps, which were keyword research, and then how to apply that to content, how to get backlinks. So many great modules and so much really useful learning in this course, and all done in a way that is bite-sized and easy to understand for those of us who don't come from a very technical background. Each of the modules also comes with really great templates that you can download and work with, and also worksheets that are very helpful for taking you through getting what you've learned in the videos through to applying them to your own website and situation. And I can definitely see and how much more I know about SEO now. We're currently working with a local SEO provider here in Cambodia, and my ability to understand what they're doing and give them guidance on how to work with our website and with our audience and our target client is so much different than it would have been 6 months ago before having taken this course. So if you're thinking about taking this course, stop thinking about it. Take the course. It's really great. I highly recommend it. And thank you again for Kate Toon and the entire team for having me.